Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason, and I just wanted to make a quick video on what my favorite indicator is. I was asked, what is your favorite indicator out of all the ones that you use? And it's kind of hard to pick my favorite indicator, just because so many indicators, they, when you put them together, they work just outstanding. Now individually, it's kind of hard to pinpoint just one. It's basically like sending in a fat kid to a bakery and having him choose his favorite cake. Actually, I am that fat kid, because I love cake. So anyways, now if I had to pick one, hands down, it's the VWAP. And I have a great video in the free stock trading course that I'm currently making. It will be released in about 2 weeks from now, so probably in that first week of July, somewhere in there. And it's very detailed. It explains a lot on VWAP. So just real quick, this is why I like the VWAP. Here's your average line right here, and you can watch these candlesticks. This is a 1 minute chart, and you can see how this bounces off this lower band, and then it comes up here around this average. And it does go up a little bit right there, but then it comes down. So this lower band gives you a great indicator as to where you could get your best price. Now, as it's downtrending right here, you can see this lower band. It actually goes into this downward position. So you would not want to really just try to nail it the first time it hit that lower band. Now, could you and it work out? Yes, and a lot of times it will work out, but there's short times, or there's few times, I should actually say, that it won't work out. It will probably put you in the red pretty deep. So as you can just see right here, with this ticker Apple, it rides down right here, and it kind of does its thing, and then it goes back up. But we'll just say you got in at the worst possible place right here. So there, and what you want to do is try to follow it back up to this middle average line. So we'll just say right there. And hold on, let me redo that. So there, and that went up just 0.14%. Now with a stock like Apple, because it's a high quality stock and it costs a lot, that difference, that's like 75 cents per share that you'd make. So that's actually pretty good for a quick day trade on the 1 minute chart in a short time frame. Now if you look over here, you can see it goes down, and it just goes about midway, and so that would be kind of hard to play making that trade. Now up here, because I've already charted this out before, I can kind of see where this will bounce. So as it comes right here, it bounces off that average, and then it kind of acts like a little resistance right there, and then bounces off that average again, and it comes up and it consolidates on this line, and so it does its thing right here. Now, how would have I traded this? Well, honestly, once it broke up here and it kind of started going sideways like this, when it came back down right here and it bounced, I'd have watched it, because this line tends to act like a support. So it came up right here, and at this point, because I've already tried this again, this is a resistance, and you can see that right there. Well, then it comes back down right here, and that's where I would have nailed it. So I would have took it right there, and I would have wrote it up to honestly right in here, and that's where I would have sold. Now, obviously that's not a lot of profit on this larger cap stock, but this would work great on a lower cap stock, and if you hold enough shares, that's how you make a large profit. So that's the end of this video. I appreciate you watching it, and follow me on Twitter at James29617. Give me give me a like for this video and subscribe to my page so you can catch that whole free course. So hey, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.